What are abstract nouns? The words that name ideas, feelings, experiences, qualities, and concepts. We cannot see, touch, or hear abstract nouns. Love, hatred, happiness, kindness, joy, beauty, friendship, popularity are abstract nouns. Let's do an exercise. Make abstract nouns using suffixes. Words are active, popular, member, friend, enjoy, achieve, child, neighbor, kind, and happy. Suffix are ity, ship, ment, ment, hood, hood, ness, ness. The abstract nouns are activity, popularity, membership, friendship, enjoyment, achievement, childhood, neighborhood, kindness, happiness. Hope you have understood the concept.